Oh hi guys, Mikey here with FuryPixel. Today I'll be giving you an overview of the ThunderX3 RM5 gaming mouse. Let's get started. Let's start with what's inside the box. Here we have the RM5 mouse, along with its user manual and warranty policy. The mouse comes in matte black at the top and a cyan color base. As you can see, this is a right-handed mouse and has a slight curve to fit comfortably in the palm of your hand. Overall, it has a nice sleek design and comes with an ergonomic shape that adapts perfectly to your hand. The anti-slip grip at the base of the mouse keeps it from slipping out of your hand in crucial moments. Now let's take a look at the main specs. This mouse features an Omron gaming switch, 16.8 million RGB colors, a 1.8 braided cable with a gold-plated USB, and PMW 3325 5000 DPI optical sensor. This mouse has 6 programmable buttons. 2 on the left side, the right and left click buttons, and the scroll wheel and DPI buttons. Now to set this mouse up, we'll be using the ThunderX3 Hex software. This will allow you to customize your mouse in order to control its colors and lighting effect. The RM5 offers 4 different lighting effects: Cycle, Breathe, Reactive, and Solid Color. So overall, this is a pretty good gaming mouse. The one thing that I really like about this mouse is the shape of it and how well it fits into your hand and how comfortable it really feels when you're using the mouse. Just one little thing I would change about the mouse is the location of the DPI button. I feel like it's really awkwardly placed on the mouse and you kind of have to move your whole hand. You have to reposition your entire hand in order to reach the DPI button. And that is kind of a pain in the butt. But at the end of the day, the RM5 from ThunderX3 is a very good option for people looking for an affordable gaming mouse.
Give life to your PC case with this unique /LED front panel. This mid-tower named Cylon is from Aerocool and comes with an acrylic side panel and magnetic dust filters. Now available in black or white. For more info, check the description below. Be cool, be Aerocool.
And that's all for today's overview. Let us know in the comments below what you think about this gaming mouse. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. If you want to support the channel, we just set up a brand new Patreon page where you can get access to exclusive content. The link is in the description below, so check it out, and we would appreciate it if you could support us in any way. Thank you very much. This is Mikey again with FuryPixel, and I'll see you next time.